In case a partner retires from the business, the remaining partners or the continuing partners who stand to gain by his retirement will compensate him by paying him certain share of goodwill that he has earned during the tenure with the firm. So students, in this case, the continuing partners or the remaining partners, and by remaining I mean obviously the ones who are gaining. So I'll write it as gaining also. It is the gaining partners who will pay the amount to retiring partner. Remember, this amount would be equal to his goodwill based on the total goodwill of the firm, and this payment would be made in gaining ratio. So obviously you will have to calculate gaining ratio first. You will have to calculate his share of goodwill, and then the partners who are gaining by his retirement would actually pay him his goodwill in the gaining ratio. Now students, remember, in case goodwill already appears in the balance sheet. In this case, accounting standard 10 would be followed. That is, any self-generated goodwill should not appear in the books of accounts. So you will write it off, and you will write it off among old partners in old ratio. So entry would become old partners to goodwill, and the amount would be the amount that is appearing in the balance sheet. Remember, the old partners include the partner who is retiring from the business. Let us take some examples to understand these entries.